Hello everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome to our Valentine's Day weekend in Homer, Georgia.
Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Matt.
And welcome to our unsettled journey.
That's right, we are staying in an Airbnb that we found for Valentine's Day weekend. Now, Valentine's this year in 2021 falls on a Sunday, so we're actually here staying the night of the 13th into the 14th because we do work, even if it's a day early. So we will give you a full tour of our 3-bedroom Airbnb that we found.
So now Homer, Georgia is just about an hour to an hour and a half northeast of Atlanta, Georgia. It's like out in the middle of nowhere, but it's a very, very small little town, and we just wanted to get a little bit of a piece of the country and get out of the city for a little bit. We also chose it not just for that, but for many other reasons, as you will see in this video.
Last year, if you remember our travel nightmare in Jamaica, that's how we spent Valentine's Day last year. So because international travel is still pretty minimum, we just decided to do a staycation and stay someplace local. We tossed the idea of whether to do something in the middle of nowhere or in the city, but we ultimately decided we like the peace and quiet that doesn't have a whole lot around. It's about 15 minutes from the nearest town with, local grocery store and restaurants and all that, but we decided just to bring a home-cooked meal here since it does have a full kitchen, enjoy one another's company, and have a relaxing Valentine's Day weekend.
So basically tonight we're just gonna relax, enjoy each other's company, play some pool, play some other games, as well as take a nice bath and just relax for the evening. And as for our dinner, Nikki has cooked something. We're gonna make a home-cooked meal, which he will show you shortly. And as well as we got some little bubbly for some drinks, so we're just gonna have a nice little evening in this Airbnb.
So whether you're with your significant other or your family or spending time with friends this Valentine's Day weekend, we can't wait to show you around our Airbnb, so here we go.
So once you walk in here from the main entrance, you get greeted with this wonderful open concept. So obviously the open concept is really, really cool, but the highlight of this place is this lovely pool table. Now we're definitely gonna go ahead and play a little game or two of some pools, but this is very, very unique as many Airbnbs don't even have anything like this within the place itself, so that makes it very, very cool. So now we've made it to this lovely kitchen here. Wow, what a kitchen this is. Nice, lovely countertops, as well as full stainless steel appliances, which really, really is cool. It's stocked up, everything comes with all the needed utensils that you may need, such as pots, pans, flour, salt, whatever you may need for your stay here if you want to cook up a good meal, and so much more. Even a little bit of details such as the toaster, you've got a blender, you've literally got all the utensils you could ever think of right here in this kitchen. So what's also really, really cool about this place is these nice leather bar stools, which is perfect for two if you're coming here for a nice little stay. Aside from the dining table itself, you can also entertain some guests if you'd like. This place has really, really got that unique feel, open concept like we mentioned, and it opens up right into the living area with a really nice, really big TV, bigger than what we have back at our place. And this is perfect if you're sitting down. This actually would have been perfect for the Super Bowl, just thinking about that now. You can entertain and watch TV all in the same area. So this is the first bathroom, one of many bathrooms in this place, and it is on the first level, right off the kitchen, right off the pool table. If you have many, many people coming in and out, it's convenient just to have a bathroom right on the same level. And it's a really, really nice bathroom as well. It comes full-fledged, you got your sink, toilet, and even a shower, which is very, very unique about this place. There's 2 full bathrooms, one on the first level and one on the upper level. So like I mentioned, this place also has a little dining area, perfect for families. So this place really, really is great and more geared towards families, friends, gatherings, and such. So now that concludes this area of the place, and don't worry, there's much, much more than that. And now I'm gonna leave it up to Nikki just to show you the rest.
I'm gonna be showing you the 3 bedrooms in this place as well as the master bathroom upstairs. Now we are in one of the bedrooms that are downstairs. There are 2 bedrooms downstairs and 1 bedroom upstairs. As Matt said earlier, this is a perfect place for friends or family if you want to bring a group because it does have 3 bedrooms. They all have queen-size beds. Now this bedroom and the other bedroom that's downstairs don't have an ensuite bathroom, but that's why there is a nice full-size bathroom right next to the kitchen that Matt showed you earlier. So we're taking a look now at bedroom number 1, and let's head on over to bedroom number 2, which is downstairs. We moved over to bedroom number 2, and both of the bedrooms downstairs are just about the same size. Something to note is that the bedrooms on the lower level do not have any TVs. They do have a dresser and a table and chairs as well. So we'll take a look around at this lower level bedroom, and then we'll head up to where the master suite is. Welcome to the master suite. This is just up a few short steps from the main living area where we showed you the other 2 bedrooms. This master suite definitely is the most spacious bedroom of them all. Again, it does have a queen-size bed. This one has a very large television in it as well, so it's something different that sets it apart from the other bedrooms. This master suite does have a exit out onto the balcony, which has a nice table and chairs as well as a mini fridge. This Airbnb host does allow you to use the grill that's outside. So in the warmer summer months or in the spring, you could grill and have that nice outdoor space. And again, the easy access from the master suite allows you to step right outside onto that balcony. One thing also to mention about the master suite bedroom is the height of the ceilings. You feel like you're in a lot of space because of the ceilings that are so high. So that's one really nice thing to note about this area. So here's a quick look at the master bedroom, and let's head on over to the master bathroom. Of course, Matt and I don't need 3 bedrooms to the 2 of us, but the reason we picked this is we always love a place with a great bath. If you remember our Highlands video, we had an awesome bathroom there with a great big tub. We don't have that at our apartment right now, so we love any chance we can get for a nice big soaking tub, especially one with jets. That's what this place has in the master bedroom, which is why we ultimately chose it. We were between that one and another Airbnb down in the city of Atlanta, but ultimately we decided to choose this one. So we may be having more space than we bargained for, but it's okay. We love this master bathroom. It's definitely updated. You can tell it has that giant soaking tub that we love, as well as a nice walk-in shower. And this is an ensuite, which is just off the master bedroom, so that's unlike the other bedrooms that we showed you downstairs. You just have the one shared full bathroom downstairs, but this one has a private bath upstairs. So this is gonna end our tour of the Airbnb here in Homer, Georgia. We would like to encourage you to subscribe to our channel and join our journey. You can also follow us on Instagram at Our Unsettled Journey. If you give this video a thumbs up and comment something exciting about what you're doing for Valentine's Day weekend, we always love interacting with you, so we'll make sure to get back to all of you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in next week's video. Bye!